Okay guys, this should be a really quick video. I'm going to give you an update on my Rally portfolio. Rally allows you to invest in collectibles, different types of collectibles. If you want to see a more in-depth video, just check the suggested videos, but I'm just going over my portfolio. So when I click my portfolio, as you can see, for account value, I have $224.38. Amount of assets I have $175.05. And for the amount in cash, I have $49.33. Okay, so as you can see, so far I've recently got this wine bottle. The cost basis is $4.95. I have one of them, and the value now is $5. So I'm up 1%. Now also, if you can want to look at the Abraham Lincoln, the cost basis was $20 and the value now is $16. So I lost 20% there, or $4 there in value. Now for this one, the Einstein book signed first edition, the cost, I actually had 2 shares. The cost basis was $13.45. Average cost basis $6.73, and the value of it is now $17.09, or $8.95 per share. So I'm up 33% from there. So in the Apple 1976 Apple I computer, the cost basis is $12.80. Now I have 1 share of those, so the value right now is $9.40. So that one I'm down 26%. So for the Warren Buffett annual meetings guide, this is more like a longer play. I got 4 shares, average cost per share $3. Now the value is $9.60. So that's down 20%. Now for the 68 Marvels Avengers 57, I have 3 shares of those. Cost base is $4.65, and the average cost value $1.55 per share, and the value is $5.25. So I'm up 12.9%. So the next one, by the way, I have 16 different investments. The next one is Marvel Fantastic Four. This one's up a lot. Cost basis $9. Value $13.45, up 49%. So, and for this one, the Marvel Star Wars cost basis, I have 2 shares of those. Average cost $6 per share. Value total $8 to $4 per share. I'm down 33%. So a lot of these will continue to look for more. So the 56 Showcase Silver Age, that one share of that $4.90. The value is $7, so I gained 42% there. Now in the Chicago Bulls ring, I ended up getting 2 shares of those. $19.85 for cost basis. Average cost basis per share $9.93. The value of that right now is $8.50. So I'm down 6.8% there. Now for the Sir Isaac Newton, the cost basis is $7. The value now is $7.25, so I'm up 3%. The Declaration of Independence not only had good success with this. Cost base is $25, down the value now $44.95, so it's up 79%. The NFTs, all of them were a flop. But got 1 share of NFTs of the Punk 8103. Cost basis $10.25. Now the value is $3.75. That's down 63%. As far as the Bored Ape, got 1 share of those. Now that for $10, the value of that is $4.25. So I'm down 57% there. The Julius Erving 85 worn jersey signed. Cost basis was $4.50. Average value now is $2.25. So I'm down 50% there. Same thing for this Carlos guitar. I got $5. I bought 1 share for $5, and the value is $2.50. So let's see how many ones I'm down versus the ones I'm up. So I'm down, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm down 9 of them and up, let me see, 1, 2, 3, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it looks like I'm down on a lot more than I am up. And if you want to see like a little bit more as far as when I purchased and stuff, we can look at the transaction history, you know, the times that I bought it or something like that. Here's the account. The wine one I bought December 19th, 2022, so that was recent. The Lincoln one I bought September 9th, 2022. So these were probably about, we're looking about maybe a couple months. The Einstein one was August. So was the Apple one. That was in August. The Buffett one was in August. So a lot of these I just recently purchased. So I haven't been that long. The Newton one, that was in August. The Showcase one, that was in June 27. So a lot of these haven't even been a year. For June 24, fantastic. 5, that was in June. The Avengers, that one was in June as well. The event, yeah, that was in June as well. The Einstein one was in June. So a lot of these I bought in 2022. So these, I didn't have them that long. Star Wars, that was in June. The Chicago Bull one, June 2022. As far as the, let me see, that's the Chicago Bull one as well. And as you can see, the ones I sold before, I kind of already went over them. The crypto one, it looks like for the punk one, I bought in early January 2022. So those ones for the crypto one is at least a year's old. But yeah, that's conclude the video. If you have any questions, let me know. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel.